Hi everyone and happy sunny Sunday. It's a beautiful day outside, so I'm going to make this short so I can get out for a good ski. This week we are moving on with a research essay that's going to be exploring a problem in your field. You can find that assignment posted in week 11. All of the details are here. This is a good place to start before you engage in any of the workshops so that you have a chance to look at the assignment and understand it. This week you are going to be directing your own reading. So in terms of media, I haven't given you anything additional because I want you seeking out your own sources of information for your paper and spending good time reading them. I expect that you will all visit the consortium library page. You do not search for your project. We don't look for research using Google. I mean, that's maybe a good first start, but you should not be using .com sources. In your Writing 111 class, you must have spent a good amount of time talking about source credibility. You should be using authoritative sources of information for this project. Now, if you want to ask a librarian a question, you can notice that here, I'm on a Sunday, you could chat the librarian. You could email, call, text, or make an appointment. You should seek out a librarian to help you find the best sources of information about your project. I am a very good researcher. Every time I seek out a librarian to help me find better sources of information, they do, because they're wizards. So you're going to have to find at least 2 sources of information for the project this week, and I hope that you spend a good amount of time reading and thinking about how you might integrate that into your paper. We're also going to engage in a large group workshop with 2 papers. So I've put the assignment here. Remember that workshopping allows us to work together to identify what the writer's doing well, what the writer can do to improve, and any questions that the text brings up. And then make sure that you spread your comments across both papers. This is due by Friday. You will also submit to me a statement of the problem. If you write a statement of the problem, your writing is going to be much more clear. So I'm asking you in the statement of the problem to provide full citations in APA style for those sources of information so I can see that you've sought out and arrived at solid sources of information for your paper. And also think about what that statement of the problem is. When it's clear, the writing will be good. I've been making my way through your career research projects, but there's a lot of them and there's only one of me. I spend a lot of time reading and responding to your papers, so look for my response soon, but it might be up to another week before I completely finish. I'll have regular office hours this week. Please feel free to stop in and see me or let me know if you have other questions. Take care, everyone, and I look forward to seeing your work soon.